Hi, maximizing billable time is the key element in revenue improvement, and Amberlo makes sure not even a single billable minute is lost. Let me show you how. In Amberlo, you can start tracking time using Global Timer right in the top menu, which is accessible at any point in the app. Also, we can log time from Quick Add menu by manually entering timesheet details. As well, timesheet can be created while completing the task or event. Just fill in the timesheet details and it will be automatically associated with the related matter or client. You can even log time while writing your email. Start your timer, and once you press send, it will automatically prompt you with the timesheet entry dialog. And of course, you can start and stop timer using our mobile app that's available for iOS and Android devices. In the global timers list, you can view all your completed timesheets for the day, edit them, or resume any of them, which allows you quickly jump between the tasks without losing time. Also, it gives you a good overview of your work time during the day. And that's how Amberlo makes sure not even a single billable minute is lost. Thank you.